Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Facebook password. You start, click on any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type facebook.com and type in your email and password. Then click on login. This is my Facebook web portal. So to change my Facebook password accounts, on the top right corner, click on accounts. Then click on settings and policies. Then click on settings. Click on settings, security and login. This will prompt you to change your Facebook account password. So under login, click on edit on the change password tab. Then enter your new password that you want to use. Type in my password. That I click on save. Now your Facebook accounts have been changed. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon.